how to upload YouTube videos from Google Sheets automatically. So in this video, I'll show you that how you can completely automate your YouTube video uploading task directly from the Google Sheets. You just need to add your video file, the title, tags and description in the spreadsheet, and as soon as you're going to do that, your videos will be uploaded automatically on the channel. So if you also want to automate your video uploading task, come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. So I have created a spreadsheet with the name YouTube videos to be published, and here I'm going to add the video details one by one, and you will see that as soon as I will do that, the videos will be uploaded automatically using these details only, and the details included the title, the video URL, basically the file URL, description, tags and finally the image URL. But for that, firstly I'll have to connect my spreadsheet with the YouTube application, and I'm going to do that with the help of Pabbly Connect. Well, it is an amazing integration and automation software, and you can also reach here by typing pabbly.com/connect. Now, if you are a new user, you will have to sign up for free, and here you will also get free tasks to test these kinds of amazing automation in the free account. I'm already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I have clicked on sign in and then I have clicked on access now, and this is how I will reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now the very first thing you'll have to do is to click on this blue button, create workflow, and just provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. So assume that I'm providing the name as when video data is added in new row of spreadsheet, automatically publish the YouTube video. Okay, click on create and you will find two boxes in front of you. Those are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say send an email via Gmail application. Well, here according to our use case, whenever the video details are added into the Google spreadsheet application, automatically upload that video in YouTube application. So this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are setting up an automation, and here we are building an automation in between Google Sheets and YouTube. So that is why the first application here will be the Google Sheets, and the trigger event will I want whenever a new or updated spreadsheet row, this automation should trigger. Now as soon as I have selected these two, here you can see I have a webhook URL and few set of instructions. So I'll have to follow these instructions one by one, and the idea here is we are going to connect our spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect so that the details can be captured here in the Pabbly Connect response, and I'm going to do that with the help of this webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL, go back to the spreadsheet which you have created, basically in which you are going to add the video data, and here into this add-on you'll have to go to the get add-ons and search for the Pabbly Connect webhooks option. Alright, so I'm searching for Pabbly Connect webhooks, and you will see that add-on which is already installed into my account. But make sure if you are a new user, you will have to firstly install this particular add-on into your Google Workspace marketplace. Okay, after installing this add-on, you'll have to again click on this extension section, and finally you will find your add-on here. Click on initial setup, and here exactly we are going to paste the same webhook URL which we have received via Pabbly Connect. So I have added the same. Now trigger column, again read the instructions that the trigger column will be your final data column, on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. So basically the system is asking you to provide that on the filling of which particular column the data should be sent to Pabbly Connect. So I want that whenever the data is filled up to E column, the automation should trigger. So that is why I'll add he here, which was already added. Now I'll click on this button, but before that let me show you Pabbly Connect is actually waiting for the response, and even read the instructions that log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So basically it is asking you to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission or record means generating, basically adding of a new data or updating updating of a data in a new spreadsheet row. So I'm going to do the same, and if I'll click on send test, let me take it in the center. Okay, if I'll click on send test button, you will see that the test data sent successfully. Okay, here's the title, here we have the video URL, here we have the description, and this is how I have sent all the data to the Pabbly Connect. Click on submit and setup configured successfully. Click on close. Coming back here, and you will see that response will be received immediately. Let us check the details one by one. So here we have the video URL, the video title, we have the trigger column, the tags, the spreadsheet name, the spreadsheet ID, here is the sheet name, and we even have the row index, the image URL, and the description. Let me even show you this image URL. Okay, so this is going to be the image, the thumbnail of my YouTube video. Okay, so coming back here, and the presence of this data clearly shows that the first step of our automation is done, which was building a connection in between Google Spreadsheet and Pabbly Connect and capturing the data here. Now we are going to send the same data to the YouTube application. So that is why in the second step, I'll search for the YouTube application, and an action event, well, I want to upload a video, so that is why I'll go with the same action event. Okay, click here once again and let us search. Okay, here we have upload video, uploads a video to YouTube channel which is currently in beta mode. Okay, clicking on connect, and now I am going to connect my YouTube channel with the Pabbly Connect. All right, so you just need to provide the access of your YouTube channel from here, and don't worry, Pabbly Connect is 100% safe. Basically your data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect, and as soon as I'll provide the access, the authorization will be successful and your YouTube account will be also connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking to select the channel ID. So firstly I'll show you that I have the channel name as the demo channel only, so I'll go with the same. Okay, so which is got selected automatically. Second thing, it is asking for the title, the description, the URL. Basically whatever the video you need to upload, I'll have to provide the details here, and we already have the details and we don't need to manually copy and paste the details here. We're going to map this data, and mapping is very simple in Pabbly Connect. If you will click on this particular field, you will find the above data here. You just need to simply click on that particular data. So it is asking for the title, so I have selected the same. Now it is asking for the description, so let us search for the description as well, and here we have the description. Where are the tags? I'll have to search for that, and here are the tags of the video, the category ID. Well, this is something which I have not received via sheet, so I'll have to read the instructions that enter the video category ID to be assigned to the video. The category ID can be retrieved using the list of video categories action step. Okay, example 22. Well, I'll have to add one more action step before this particular action step in order to retrieve the category ID. So how I'm going to do that? But so before I add a new action step, how about I save it? Well, it is asking for the video URL, which is mandatory, then only it will save this particular step. So how about I first map the video URL also. So where is the video URL? Here it is. Okay, so I have added the same. Now I can save this particular step so that my data will not get lost. Okay, again the category ID is also required. So how about for now I just provide a dummy number. Okay, just for now, because I just want to save this particular step. All right, so the data saved successfully. Now I will introduce one more new step before this YouTube upload video beta step. Okay, so clicking on this plus icon in between these two steps, and here I'm going to search for the YouTube once again, and this time an action event as per the instructions. I'll search for the list video category. So where is that action step? Okay, here it is, list video categories. Click on connect, and this time I'll go with the existing connections only instead of the new connections, and here you can see it is connected. Now it is asking for the country code. Okay, so since I am from the India, so I'll add the country code of India, and you will see it will provide me the category ID along with the category name. Okay, so here we have the data, the response is received. Let us check the details one by one. So if you belong to the film and animation industry, your category ID will be 1. Okay, let us check for more details. Alright, so if you are from the autos and vehicles category, your category ID will be 2, and this is how you will find your category ID. Well, I know that I belongs to the 22 number category because I actually my channel is actually based on this particular, basically on peoples and blogs. So either again I can map this particular value, or I can even provide this value manually. So how about I provide this particular data as manually? Okay, so I'll add 22 manually. In case you want to map it, you can even do the same from this particular response. Okay, we have the response here. Okay, and if I'll search for 22, you will find the 22 number category. Okay, now it is asking for the video visibility status. So I would like to first keep my videos private only, so that first I will review my videos and then only I am going to publish the videos. Okay, just in case if you want to make your videos public directly, you can also do the same. So how about I directly public my videos, just to show you how you can also do the same. Notify subscribers, well again it is up to you whether you would like to notify the subscribers. Allow embedding, yes I would like to. Audience, make sure you select no, it is not made for kids. Self-declared made for kids, it will be false. And here I would like to recommend you that you should read all these instructions once you will create this automation, basically before the automation creation. And here you can see a help guide has been provided here, which I will read in front of you. Okay, so first scenario is if you are uploading the video size less than 1 GB, then in that case you'll have to these instructions. And what is that second scenario? I'll have to check for that also. Okay, so we have the second scenario as if you are uploading the video size greater than 1 GB. So the video which I'm uploading right now is actually less than 1 GB, so I'll follow these instructions. So in this case, add an action step to upload a video YouTube. Okay, use the YouTube upload video action. I have already done this particular step. Now it is saying that after uploading the video, use the delay by Pabbly action step for 8 minutes. This is the amount of delay after which we will recheck the video upload status. Alright, and to check the video upload status, use the YouTube get video upload status. So what you'll have to do, I'll tell you. Go to Pabbly Connect, and firstly I'll be clicking on this button, and let us check for the response of this particular step. And here you can see the response is received. Let us check the details one by one. Okay, so the response result request status, it is initiated. Basically our uploading is initiated. Now as per the instruction, I'll have to apply this delay and this get video upload status step as well after this particular step. But before that, let me tell you, if you are uploading the video greater than 1 GB, you will have to follow these instructions. And if you want me to create a video on that as well, I'll create it one. But for that, you'll have to ask me in the comment section if you really want me to create video on that. Okay, so let us go back here, and as per the instruction, I'll click on plus icon, and again I'll add a delay step. Now you must be thinking why we are adding this delay, why it is mentioned in the instruction. So basically we are delaying this particular automation at least for the 8 and 10 minutes so that in this 8 minutes, in the duration of this 8 minutes, uploading will be done, and then after that we will check the status of the video, whether it is uploaded, published, or whatever it is. Okay, so delay by Pabbly and delay for minutes, and the value will be 8 because I want to delay this particular automation for 8 minutes. Okay, so I have provided all the details. Clicking on this button, and you will see that this automation will be delayed for the 8 minutes. And after this 8 minutes, I also have to check the status of this video. So for that, again you will have to search for the YouTube only in the action step, and this time in the action event we will search for the get video upload status. Again, it is also in the beta mode. Click on connect. Now again I will go with the existing connections only, and you will see that the YouTube will be connected. Now it is asking for the request ID. Enter request ID that you have received in the response of the upload video action step. So here you can see we have received the response, and in this response I have received this request ID as well. So how about about we map it directly. Okay, so I am going to map it from this particular step. Alright, now on clicking on this button, you will see it will give me the status of my video. So let us check that right now what exactly is the status of the video. So where is the status? Alright. Okay, so here you can see the privacy status is public since we have made it public intentionally, and the status is uploaded, and the response result request status is also complete. So that means our automation is working fine. Let us check whether our video has been actually got uploaded or not. Let us refresh this particular YouTube channel. Alright, here you can see how to contact Pabbly Connect team. The video has got uploaded and the status of this video is actually public. If I'll open this particular video, you will see that it is actually working absolutely fine. Alright, let me pause this video. Let us go back here and check for the details. And yes, it was how to connect Pabbly Connect team, how to contact Pabbly Connect. Yes, it is the same title. Let us check for the description as well. Watch this video and know how you can easily reach out to the Pabbly Connect team. Again, cross check and watch this video and know how you can easily reach out to the Pabbly Connect team. And here we have the tags, the image URL. So that means our automation is working absolutely fine. Now what will happen as soon as someone is going to add the details of the video here into the row of the spreadsheet, those videos will be automatically uploaded to your channel based on the status that you are providing in your automation. But for that, you'll have to do one more last settings, that is click on extension, and here you will find an option of send on event. So if you want this automation to work in real time, you will have to enable this send on event option, which I have enabled. Here you can see it is tick marked. Okay, so I'm repeating this again that you will have to enable this particular option in order to work this automation in real time. Okay, so now I also want my final video URL to be added automatically once the video is uploaded. How I'm going to do that? Coming back here, and in this particular response you will find that we have also got the video URL. So how about I add one more action step as the Google Sheets, and I'm going to add that particular URL in my Google Sheets. Okay, how you'll have to search for the Google Sheets once again, and here in the action event, well, I just want to update a cell value in this particular automation, in this particular spreadsheet. So that is why instead of other action step, I will choose only the update cell value, something like this. Okay, here we have the action step as action event as update cell value. Clicking on this connect button, and again I will go with the existing connection only, because remember I have already connected my spreadsheet with the Pabbly Connect earlier. Okay, now it is asking to select the spreadsheet. The name of my spreadsheet is YouTube videos to be published, so I'll search for the same YouTube video to be published. Asking for the select sheet, well, I just have a single sheet here, so again I will select the same. Well, it has got selected automatically. Finally, it is asking for the range of the sheet that needs to be updated. Okay, example C5, the column name and the row index. So my column name, which will remain same, is actually F, so that is why I will add F here, and the row index will change because as soon as I'm going to add the new details, this row index will change. Okay, this time I have the row index as 2. So again, I cannot add the row index manually, because if I will add anything manually in these fields, the details will be remain same, it will not change. So how I will make it work in real time? So you just need to map the value instead of adding it manually. So we have received the row index in the first step, and since I have mapped it, this value will be keep on changing as soon as the new data will be arrived. In fact, whatever the details I have mapped in my previous step, those value will be also replaced automatically when this automation will work in the real time. Okay, so the description, the URL, the tags, these details will be automatically changed when the automation will work in real time, and this is the power of mapping, the power of automation. So finally, I have provided the range and what value I need to update it. it. So I want to update it the video URL, the final video URL which has got uploaded automatically. So where is the URL of the video? Here you can see it is the same. Okay, clicking on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response, and you can see in front of you the final URL, final video URL has been updated here automatically. So this is how now onwards, simply add the details here and everything will be uploaded automatically. You do not even have to provide the access of your YouTube channel to your team. Simply connect your spreadsheet with YouTube channel and share this particular sheet with your team, and in this way you do not have to share the access of your YouTube channel. You just need to set this automation once inside Pabbly Connect, and after that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. I will also attach this shareable link of my workflow which I have created in front of you in my description box. So if you will click on this particular link and sign up for free in the Pabbly Connect, the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.Pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.